Hello and welcome to Amulya's Academy YouTube channel. In this algorithm video series, next let's talk about searching algorithms. A searching algorithm is a step-by-step method used to find a specific item like a number or an object within a collection of items like array or list. When we have a collection of items, there are several searching methods we can use depending on how the data is organized. We have linear search algorithm, binary search, hash search, jump search and many more. From the next tutorial onwards, we will discuss different types of algorithm in detail with examples. Searching algorithms mimic how we naturally search for things in everyday life, just made efficient and systematic for computers. For example, suppose you want to borrow a book called Python Programming Language by XXX author from a library. If the books are arranged in a random order, we would have to check every book one by one until you find one you want. This may take a lot of time. We need to check for the first book. It is a novel. So I'll check for the next book. It is a book on C programming language. We need to check every book one by one until you find the one you want, this book, right? This is one way of searching when the books are arranged in a random order. And if the books are arranged by category or subject wise, you can first go to the programming category and in that Python section and you can search for your book. And if the books are arranged alphabetically by title, we can go directly to P section and look for the book in that section. We can search for the book in different ways depending on how the books are arranged. In programming, searching algorithms work the same way. Okay, next let's talk about the need for searching algorithm in programming. We need searching algorithms to quickly find data. Searching algorithms help locate the exact piece of data quickly instead of checking every item. To improve the performance, efficient searching algorithms increases the performance of the program. To handle large data efficiently, with searching algorithms, large data can be handled efficiently. And to support other operations like sorting, filtering. Okay, so this is about searching algorithms. From the next tutorial, we'll talk about different searching algorithms with examples. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.